What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I've got an exciting new video for you guys. I'm using the Inokraft DX to do an amazing new spray out. Well, at least I hope it turns out amazing. Guys, I've always sprayed a bunch of different candies over pearls. We've done so many different color combinations on this channel, but one thing I really haven't tried much is the black candy, and that's because black candy is mostly meant to either tint colors darker or to actually use for shading, like airbrush and stuff like that. But what happens if you add a color shift into black candy? Will it manipulate it? Will it change it? Will it create something cool? Because if you just shoot black candy by itself over top of any base, well, it looks blotchy. Will the color shift change that? Well, that's what we're going to find out today. Let me show you what I got. So to do everything today, I've got the Inokraft DX, guys, a really cool new product. It's an electric HVLP spray gun, no compressor needed, and I think they just put more in stock, so you can go check them out. I'll have links below. And we're going to use Oleum Clear Coat today. This is a new one. I've never used it on the channel. I've never even used it, period. It's a 2K clear, well under $100, and it's going to be very interesting to see, is this a good affordable option? And for the experiment, we've got rustoleum black, I've got limelight candy black, and TOBIKO, a really cool sunset colored color shift from Eye Candy Pigments. So the game plan is to get the rustoleum on the fender first, then we'll mix candy black and TOBIKO together in the O-line clear, and we'll shoot it through the Inokraft gun. So that's the experiment. Let's get some rustoleum on this panel over here, and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so now we got the rustoleum on the panel, and it's time to mix up our poor man style clear coat, mid coat, all in one. So today we have the Pro Finish Clear. It mixes 4-to-1. It says to be a pretty good 2K clear, and then of course we got the black candy and the TOBIKO. So I'm going to start off by putting a little bit into this paint cup. Now this right here is a self-contained unit, guys, with this Inokraft DX, and what's really cool is it has all of your measurements on the side of the cup to help you out. So that's really, really cool. It comes with these sleeves that come out, and then the actual cup itself has a lid with a filter strainer built into it. So really, really nice setup. That'll help save time with trying to buy other cups and stuff like that. And then you can just switch out as you need things. So I'm going to put a little bit of clear in here first, and let's see how that works. And then we'll start mixing up some of this limelight and this TOBIKO. I like the little spout on it. Alright, so far with this clear coat, I gotta say, it's about the consistency of most other clear coats. Very comparable to the Speedo Coat brand. So, I like that. Let's see what it looks like when we add the TOBIKO into it. Alright guys, so this is TOBIKO right here. A very cool looking eye candy color shift. And I'll show it to you in powder form really quick. Kind of a oranges, golds, bronzes, even little pinks and purples at certain angles. A very, very cool color shift that I've done quite a few times on the channel. And I've got 8 ounces total in this. It's a 4-to-1 mix, so I have 10 ounces total. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon, this little McCormick tablespoon, of this TOBIKO in there. Try to get it as even as possible. All right, let's dump that in. And I'll mix this up really good. And I do say these sleeves make it a lot more convenient with everything. It just keeps stuff organized. But man, look at that color shift. A very cool, vibrant looking color shift. A lot of coppers. And I'm always a sucker for oranges and stuff like that. So I think this looks pretty cool. And you can get a good idea. Now, here's the thing. When we add this black candy into it, how is that going to change everything? And another thing you can make note of for future reference, if you decide to mix with any of the other limelight candy concentrates, they put a little scale on the back that you can use to get different colors. But with black candy, well, you're just kind of on your own. So let me open this up real quick, and I'll show you what we're working with. So black candy, like I said, it's mostly used for tints. You can tint colors different ways. Some people use it to smoke headlights and taillights and stuff like that, but it's literally jet black, as you can see. So it's about like adding black paint into whatever you're painting with or spraying with. And some people do that too. Some people add black paint into clear coat at, little bits. So I'm gonna put a little bit in here. I'm not gonna go too crazy at first because I want to see the difference. So let's see what happens. Whoa. Yeah. That black cherried really quick. Yeah, so you see what I'm saying? You can kind of tint stuff. Man, that took it like instantly down to like almost like red rum looking territory, man, where it's like a dark black burgundy. And I didn't put that much in there. I probably put maybe half a teaspoon. Wow, but that did manipulate the color. So what I want to do is I want to load this up in the paint gun and spray this, but before we do that, I'm going to show you what TOBIKO looks like on one of the past spray outs I did, and then we'll compare with this. So it's going to be really, really cool to see the differences. Well, let's load up the Inokraft and let's get to spraying some of this weird black cherry concoction Colorshift. Alright guys, I gotta say, this black candy really did manipulate this TOBIKO. It is a much richer, darker color. It's almost like a root beer purple when it shifts at certain angles. Man, very, very cool, very, very interesting. And man, it's kind of hard to pick up on camera, so I hope you guys see it good, but that is a very cool, wild effect. What do you guys think? Woo! Alright guys, well today was an absolute crazy episode. I tried a lot of new products, we got some very interesting results, and now let's talk about them. First is Inokraft DX, a very cool electric HVLP gravity fed spray gun. It's designed for automotive paint. There's nothing else really on the market right now at this price point. It's a very good pickup. You saw me messing with it. The first coat I dialed it in, shot it very lightly. The second coat I went ahead and opened it up and I let it have it, and it laid out very, very well. And then the black candy and the TOBIKO, man, those combined, I have not seen anybody using black candy to manipulate color shifts or pearls or anything like that, but it definitely works. We got a much richer tone with everything. It darkened the overall effect, but you get a black cherry meets almost Java black from like a WRX at certain angles. So it's just a really cool, rich color shift effect. And then the Oleum clear coat worked beautifully with the rustoleum today. I didn't have any issues. I didn't have any separation or any trying to eat the paint or anything like that what I've had with some of the other crazier brands of clear coat. So it's definitely one you can add to your list of good possibilities for a clear coat next time you need some off of Amazon. I'll have links down below to that where you can pick it up. And then of course the drizzle right here, this Drizzle X, is available now, and I think it's back in stock. They told me the other day they were going to have them back in stock, so definitely when they are, go pick them up before everybody buys them out again, because they are selling fast. If you're interested in anything you saw in this video and I didn't talk about it, or you don't see a link down below, it's always in my Amazon store, guys. Ask it on YouTube. You click that link, it'll take you to my store and you can purchase everything there. I'm going to fill it with eye candy so I can get you a discount on that. WAW shop, wall shop at checkout. I'll have the links down below and you can pick that up. You've made this far in the video, you like these crazy spray outs, trying new things, trying new products, and just trying to find ways to save money and have fun on a budget with custom painting, then definitely subscribe to Whitley Auto Works, ring that little bell so you get notified every time a new episode drops, and leave me a quick like and comment before you exit away to something else. It helps me out tremendously with engagement with YouTube's algorithm to continue to spread out, have fun, and do crazy videos. And also, speaking of crazy stuff, my massive spray gun giveaway, guys, has officially ended as of July 8th, but we're going live to choose winners this weekend, Sunday, July 19th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And I'll also be giving out prizes to people in the live. So you can still win something even if you haven't entered the giveaway just by joining the live, hanging out with us, answering questions, and just having some fun. We're going to be doing a lot of cool stuff. I'll have some special guests. And yeah, it's going to be a real good time. So don't miss it. Like I said, this Sunday, July 19th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So, all right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for me today. If you made this far in the video, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.